Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sugar cookies and royal icing. First, ensure your butter is at room temperature for optimal creaming. Combine the softened butter with sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, incorporate 1 egg and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, slowly add your dry ingredients, mixing until a soft dough comes together. This careful preparation is key to delicious cookies. After preparing your dough, chilling it for at least 1 hour is crucial to prevent spreading in the oven. When rolling, aim for a consistent 1/4 inch thickness across all your cookies for even baking. Place them on a baking sheet and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. You'll know they are ready when the edges turn a beautiful, light golden color. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. And speaking of keeping things tidy, especially after baking, why not upgrade your clean game? The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is fantastic for handling those stray sprinkles. It's voice-controlled and self-emptying. Check the description for the link and other amazing deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's create the perfect royal icing. Begin by whisking meringue powder with warm water until it becomes foamy and fully combined. Next, slowly incorporate powdered sugar, mixing on a low speed until the mixture is smooth. Increase the speed to high and beat for 5 to 7 minutes, or until stiff, glossy peaks form. This creates a stable and beautiful icing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.